You scooting in the box? Scoot some more. Come here.
Yeah, we should have got you a box for Christmas.
I've never seen anything like that. Nico, scoot some more. Nico. Hi, baby. Oh.
You're working up a sweat, huh?
Scooting Santa, baby. Oh, if you reach too far, you're gonna fall over.
Ooh.
What was that, Mama? Scoot! And